The, f- the first half of the 20th century witnessed two wars. The first half of the 20th century witnessed two wars which devastated the world. World War I was fought from 1914 to 18 and World War II began in 1939 and ended in 1945. World War I 1914 to 18, World War II 1939 to 45. While the world at large had experienced many wars, these two wars are referred as world wars because of the extended areas of the conflict and the very high death toll of civilians as well as armed combatants. Both wars were fought on several fronts across Europe, Asia, and Africa. Okay. In both wars, the combined forces of Great Britain, France, Russia, and the United States fought against a war alliance led by Germany. Germany's allies were Italy and Japan in World War II. The total number of deaths in World War I is 20 million, in World War II is 24 million. The total number of deaths in World War II is 24 million. It increased. The financial cost of the war too was huge and 5 times higher than the figure for the World War I. The financial cost of the World War II was huge and 5 times higher than the figure of the World War I. World War II also witnessed gross violation of international protocols on the treatment of prisoners of the war, many of whom were tortured and killed. Causes of the World War II. Germany and Treaty of Versailles in 1919, failure of League of Nations, post-war crisis and Germany, Munich Pact, Allies and non-intervention, the rise of Adolf Hitler. Dictators are rises. Hitler from Germany, Mussolini from Italy, like that many dictators came up. These are the main causes of the war. The devastation caused by World War I was such magnitude that it was referred to as the Great War, the war to end all wars. The belligerent nations, especially the Allies, had no desire for second prolonged conflict, and this was the main driving force behind their actions after the end of the World War I. The immediate and primary cause of the World War II was the aggressive military offensive undertaken by resurgent Germany and a fast developing Japan. Germany and the Treaty of Versailles in 1919. The Treaty of Versailles ending World War I was signed in June 1919. Among the many clauses of the treaty, 3 in particular caused great resentment among the Germans. First one, Germany was forced to give up territories to the west, north, and east of the German border. Germany had to disarm and was allowed to retain only a very restrictive armed force. During the Treaty of Versailles, the Germany arms were sacked. Yeah, they reduced the army. So they retained only very restricted armed force. Third one, as reparations for the war, Germany was expected to pay for the military and civilian cost of the war to the allied nations. He wanted to give the military and civilian cost of the war to the allied nations. These are the 3 things. great resentment among the Indians. Particularly, it caused great resentment among the Germans. Then failure of the League. Failure of the League of Nations is also one of the important reasons. The treaty set up the League of Nations and act as mediate between countries. The United States was not interested in playing a global role